Hello everyone, welcome to Pop Around channel. Today we're going to be experiencing a tour at the iconic Bombay Sapphire Distillery and learn a little bit about the history and about how the gins are made. Although I'm not a drinker myself, but I'm here for an experience. The Bombay Sapphire Distillery is located in Laverstock, Whitchurch. There is a bar, a cafe, distillery, and a gift shop. There are various experiences to explore here at the Bombay Sapphire Distillery. Please follow the link in the description for more information. Today we're just going to take a tour around the place and have a taste of their iconic gin. However, there are some non-alcoholic options for those who do not wish to have alcoholic drinks. This tour experience costs £20 per person, which you can book at your preferred time slot. There will be a guide that tells you about all the information regarding the history of the brand, how it began, and how the gins are made. The tour includes a gin tasting experience, a theater experience, a walk through the place including the iconic glass house, the Botanical dry room, and the production or distillery room where they store the gin tanks. The ingredients they use to make gin include licorice, cinnamon, coriander, cassia, lemon peels, grains of paradise, and the secret ingredient is the juniper berries. There are two separate glass houses. One contains Mediterranean plants and the other has tropical plants. The glass house contains various herbs and items that they use to make different flavors, including almonds and cassia. This is the first time I get to see almonds on an almond tree, by the way. Some of the tropical plants like the banana and palm trees are there to provide shade for the plants that don't like strong sunlight. The Laverstock Mill was formerly owned by St. Peter's Abbey until the dissolution of monasteries in 1538. The mill was rented to Henry Portal in 1718 for paper manufacture, which was later used to produce banknotes until 1963. The Bombay Spirit Company purchased Laverstock Mill in 2010 and opened it to the public in 2014. And that's it for the Bombay Sapphire Distillery tour. I hope you liked my video. Please hit like, share, comment or subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next episode. Thank you for watching. Bye now.
Is it a moorhen up there? Oh no, it's gone underwater.